That's a smart-ass grin if I ever did see one.
This is how you drill, like this. Use a sharp bit, so when it goes into your chest or your throat, you go, and then you'll continue on if you're a real trooper. And if you're not, you'll just whine like a little bitch.
Can you just, because people are going to be writing in like crazy saying, safety first. Just explain to people what you're actually doing.
I'm drilling out the spot welds for this top section.
Yeah, so it's not like you're drilling all the way through, you're drilling holes. There's really not a lot of danger involved.
I could slip with the drill. I could slip. I could be like this drilling and looking out there at my cars I could be working on rather than customer stuff. Which I soon to be will do. Because I'm retiring soon for 2 days a week. I said that like a year and a half ago.
I know you did.
And instead I just decided to work 6 days a week.
You know why?
Because
you're a money whore.
I am a money whore.
I know.
Well, at least I'm some sort of whore.
Lovely.
Yeah. So that's it. So I'm drilling the spot welds out here. That'll detach this piece from this piece. And then we'll do our cuts. And this will separate right off of here. Much like the pieces laying on the ground there.
So this is all ready to go? No, because you still have to cut on that.
Yeah, because there's the old piece out there that was attached to the piece on the ground.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
So the only thing you have to do here,
a little rust repair,
is cut this.
Yeah, a little rust repair at the back there, haven't done yet.
Okay.
I just got bored, wanted to play with the drill.
Yeah, and drill into your chest?
That'd be awesome because it'd leave a really cool scar. And I could tell everyone I got shot.
Oh,
by the cartel in Chilliwack.
I'm so...
The corn cartel.
I'm so tired. I'm going to turn this off because you turn into a
it's
weirdo.
Monday, I'm having a good day. Or maybe I'm still drunk from the weekend.
And on that note, we'll sign off on this video. What's going on there?
So we showed everyone what we're doing. So now what I've done, just so you know, I took this piece off. Well, no, I cut it here. I separated it on the factory weld seam here. So everywhere I've separated it is where it was originally put on by the factory, except for here. But whatever, when you chop a top on a car, you cut them, right? And I've drilled all the spot welds out because that takes this whole piece off as one unit. So this is the new piece now I've set on there. The old one's laying outside, the Swiss cheese one. And if you remember, see,
all the spot welds you drilled out?
Yeah, and this all gets pushed together. Right now what I'm doing is I'm just setting it on here. I'm going to line it up the best I can, like with, you know, with our vice grips, clamps, whatever we got here. We're going to line up. We're going to take our measurements all over to make sure everything lines up. Then if it does, what I'll do is I'll do 3 spot welds in the front, and I'll just do a couple on either side, and that's it. Then what I'm going to do next is grab the new roof skin, and I'm going to set the roof skin on to make sure everything with it is lining up properly. And if it is, then we'll lift that off and we'll continue and get all this welded up. And there we go. We'll have our new insert, our good use insert,
yeah,
put back
this one
in
is
place.
way better.
Oh yeah,
and
because
you welded up the hole in the middle of this.
Yeah,
one.
there was a hole up there, so I'm going to drill the hole, and I put a patch here and seam sealed it and threw some texture spray on it. I mean, you're never going to see it when the skin's on.
Cool.
So that's it. So kind of lined that up. Nice thing is we got lots of measurements, and not only that, you know what the good thing is about doing this truck here today? We got this one right in front of it. So before, even though I've got measurements written on the dash, I've got measurements written on the other side of the floor, which is the same as this side. I've got measurements everywhere. I can just copy off of this truck anyway. They're identical trucks. So that was the nice thing about it. So, but everything seems to be working out. If I go here, you know, if you measure it, what I did is I kind of go, this was one measurement that I had taken, and it should be 24 3/8, and I look at it and it's 24 3/8. Now that was the measurement I had written down, but I wanted to double check, so I measured on that truck 24 3/8. So it's all working out. So that's the next step in this process. Like you've seen, this is what we're doing next.
Cool.
And I say, before you weld it all solid, definitely if somebody's doing the same thing out there, put the roof cap on first and make sure that it fits.
Yeah.
You know, and do your lining up. And if you're getting really paranoid, really paranoid, before you weld it solid, go grab your doors and bolt them on. It only takes a second to bolt them on, you know. But I mean, I think we're pretty good. The measurements I got are turning out, and if I compare it to that, they're the same. So
cool.
Everything's looking good. So there you go.
All right.
So we're getting there.
Okay, well, we'll come back maybe after you got the roof skin set on there.
We'll start a new video next time, right?
All right.
This one's getting kind of long.
Well, no, this is just going to be part 3.
Oh, okay. Well, there you go then.
Okay, so Swiss cheese part 3.
Okay.
And we're out.